Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make a resume using Chatgpt. First, open any web browser after opening, and then type in the search bar Chatgpt. After typing, simply hit the Enter key. Once you enter, a new layout will open in front of you. Once it's open, you need to click on the first result. After clicking, a new tab will open. When it's open, you should see whether you're already logged in. If you are, click on Login. If not, click on Sign Up. After clicking, a new tab will open with a slightly different layout after a short moment. When the new tab opens, just scroll down a bit. Once you've scrolled, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on that. After clicking, a new tab will start to open. Here, you'll need to select your account again. After selecting, wait for a moment. It will open now. Look, our Chatgpt layout is now open. To do this, you'll find a bar here. Search for Create a Resume for me. I am a software engineer. After that, just press Enter. It will start generating it. It might take some time to generate. Here you go. It has been generated. Now, to generate a cover letter, you need to type, I need a cover letter for a software engineer. It will start generating the cover letter. Here you go. It has been generated. Now you need to copy both of these texts. After copying, in ancient times, people used to open Microsoft Word, which is available on every computer. Then, they would open a blank document. After that, they would simply paste the previously generated text here. Before making any changes, they would add a necessary photo, because it is essential for every resume. To do this, they would navigate to the Insert tab at the top. Once it's open, they would click on the Picture button. After clicking, a new format would open. Then, they would select their image from their computer. After selecting the image, it would appear in the document, and they would adjust it as needed. Now, you just need to enter your own information here, your skills, your profession, your certifications, and then your resume will be ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.